afternoon. Hear that lightning? Hold on a minute. I'm going to go see if my daughter has her TV off. I'm eating part of my lunch I didn't eat. I've been drinking Red Stripe. Good Jamaican beer if you've not tried it. I'll be right back. So, it is storming here. I'm not cooking right now. I'm going to be making a breakfast dinner tonight. Tomorrow I'm going to come on here and do some pasta, kind of like I was talking on my video yesterday. So I will try to do a recipe tomorrow. Today I'm just reviewing Red Stripe. A lot of you have probably had it. Imported lager beer brewed in Jamaica since 1928. It's embodied the spirit, rhythm, and pulse of Jamaica and its people. And I really enjoy it. So, earlier I got my daughter Taco Bell. And we got the $5 chalupa box. Both of us, we didn't eat everything. My husband should be here soon. He's the one that actually got me into drinking these. They're nice, crisp, and refreshing. 4.7% alcohol. I like them just as much as IPA beer, and sometimes they're a little easier to go down. They definitely go with a lot of food. Wings, tacos. So, I believe that the 12-pack is like $14. I'm not sure about the 6-pack, but they are very good. Nice, refreshing beer. I only really like certain beers, but they have a lot of nice beers out. This is an old, reliable one. It's very good. Would definitely recommend it. I'm going to go enjoy the rain, and I'll see you tomorrow with an easy pasta recipe. We're going to be using ground beef, onions, garlic, portobello mushrooms, basil leaves, salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and turmeric pasta. So, see you then. Have a nice hump day. And remember, cheers.